Another rainy day in paradise. But I got a package today. It's my rear brake caliper and master cylinder for the LTZ 400. So I'm going to show you guys how to put this on, how to install it. This also should work with other four-wheelers, quads, or whatever. Almost to the T, but might be a little bit different. So let's open this up and see what we got. Alright, we got basically everything. The foot pedal, the actual caliber. Here's the master cylinder. Even came with some free brakes. And some pre-filled liquid. So all I have to do is just slap this thing right on in. No, but I'm gonna get new pads. Is these things look horrible. But I did also did just test it here to make sure it actually works, and it does. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it or if I can even do this one-handed. Okay, no, but it works. All I have to do is just wait for it to really clear up. But I do want to try to clean this stuff up a little bit. Nah, that's fine. This looks tougher than what I had. This is the one I bought off of eBay, but didn't really work. So I decided to just buy a whole OEM kit. I got a pretty good steal on it too. This whole all this for 75, 80. I think it was 80. So I'm pretty happy so far. Hopefully that stays. But I'm gonna go ahead and just try to clean this up real quick. Cleaned it the best I can. Looks pretty good. I didn't clean it fully because I don't want to damage any of those rubber pieces. And yeah, it was just gonna get dirty anyways from riding. It did have, I believe these should be the original brake pads. Same brand as the other parts. I am going to pick up some new ones. Hopefully they have them in stock. If not, I might just use these to test this whole thing out. But who knows? We'll see if they even have it. But so far, I'm pretty happy. Mine did not have this little pad right here. This pad was right here covering this. Mine did not have that. My old one. I guess this is good. Make sure I have all the right parts. You're going to need an 8mm to remove the reservoir and another towards the swing arm to remove the clips for the hoses. Then you're going to need a 10mm to remove the rear master cylinder. Then a 12 to remove the rear brakes. Then for the hoses, you can just push them out and they'll unclip. The 12mm can also be used to remove the brake pads. You're going to need some needle nose pliers to remove the spring and the parking brake. After that, you can just slide the rubber piece forward and it should slide right out the little slit. After all that, it should slide right out. After you're done, repeat the process in reverse. Bleed the system if needed. Mine came out of the box working perfectly.